Hi friends, Keisha Shepherd here, teacher, writer, and blogger at whispersfromtheridge.weebly.com. I'm back again today to share a strategy to help you generate some writing at home. I'd like to also read you a poem that I wrote using that strategy and to offer you an invitation to write. So yesterday I was standing out on my back porch and I was listening to music and my favorite song came on. And that reminded me of a strategy that I often use to inspire some writing. And that is to tune in to music or the sounds around me. So as I was looking back through my notebook, I was noticing all the different types of sounds that I capture. This one happens to be about a train traveling down the tracks through the ridge where I live. I often will just walk outside and just listen to the sounds of nature. So I often will listen for insects, frogs, birds. And so this poem that I'd like to share with you today was actually inspired by a purple martin, which is a swallow that comes to us during the springtime. They have the most beautiful sound that you've ever heard. And so if you go outside today, you might, if you're lucky, you might hear and see one of these beautiful birds. So this poem is called Heart Song. Gladness fills the soul. Sing of love and hope once more. A heart song of joy. So my invitation to write for you today is to think about the song of your heart or even the sounds around you and just tune in and notice what are they saying to you. Perhaps you can hear the refrain. Listen closely and try to describe what you hear. You might try having fun writing a heart song poem of your own, or you might choose to write about something else today. But this is just an invitation, a strategy that you might try to help get your writing going. So until next time, happy writing.